creating a very short video on the world flag because in your examination there might few questions come on the world flag. Okay, so without wasting time, let's jump on the quiz. All right, here is the first question. This is the flag for which country?
USA.
USA. Very good. In USA, you can see there is 51 star here. Those 51 star indicate the 51 state of the USA. Okay.
Okay.
All right, that sounds good. Let's go to the next question. This is Canada. Very easy. See, the Canada, the red color leaf is the symbol for the Canada. Okay. Let's see what is the next question.
UK.
Is this UK?
Yes.
Yes, it's very easy to remember. It's a UK. Okay? All right. All right.
Japan.
Japan. Japan is like, the red on top of, like red circle on top of white. It's Japan. Japan, you can think like, sun, rising sun land, right? So you just treat this like the sun which is rising. That's why it's a Japan. Okay? What is this country? France. Yes. The blue, white, and kind of reddish is a France. Okay. All right. This one is for what?
Russia.
Russia. Yeah. If there is a white on the top of blue, so see, Russia is also top in the map, right? Just remember, if white is on the top and white represents snow, Russia also represents snow, right? So if the top is white, then it should be Russia. Okay.
Okay.
It might be Russia. Okay. Not always. This
Italy.
one, Italy. Yes. That's correct answer. Whitely because green and then white and then reddish. Okay.
Yes.
All right. This is very famous one.
Brazil.
Brazil. Yes.
Spain.
All those who know football, for them it's a very easy one, right, Malik?
Yes. Germany.
Germany. Yes. If the black is on the top, it's a Germany. That's one. This is
India.
very easy. This is it's our India. Yes. This is
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Yes. The green color and then star and moon. Okay. This is easy again. It's a
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Red on top of green is very, very easy.
Yeah, Australia.
All right. Don't get confused, guys, here. Like, the Australia and New Zealand flag is pretty much similar. If this is six, like three and three, six star, then it's Australia. If there are four star, then it's a New Zealand. So don't get confused between Australia and New Zealand. If it is six, then it's a Australia. Okay.
Yes.
For example, here you can see there is only four, then it's a New Zealand. Okay. So
Okay.
four New Zealand, six Australia. Okay. This one
China.
China, yes. The whole red and then there are star. Like how many star? Five star. Then it's a China. One big star and four small star. This one is
Singapore.
Singapore. Yes, very good. Singapore resemblance is what? This red and white, and there is a like star and moon. Okay, that's a Singapore. All right. What is this?
Malaysia.
Yes, Malaysia. Very good. Malaysia is next to Singapore. Yeah. This
South
one is one of
Korea.
the Korea. It's a South Korea. Okay.
Yes.
The way you have to remember this is a kind of Pepsi symbol. Pepsi is very famous in South Korea. You can say, okay, this is my South Korea. Just saying, it's not the case, okay? But remember, Pepsi symbol is South Korea. If there's a Pepsi symbol like this, it's a South Korea. This one
Vietnam.
is Vietnam. Yes, red and that yellowish star is Vietnam. Okay, let's hurry up. This is
UAE.
very easy. This is UAE. We all know this UAE. This is
Turkey.
Turkey. Yes, the Chand, the star and moon and on the red is Turkey. Very good. This one is very, very easy. It's
Argentina.
Argentina. Yes. This one,
Avocado from Mexico.
yeah, this is avocado from Mexico. Very good. This one is very easy.
South
Waka waka, yeah, yeah. This
South
time for Africa. This one
Sweden.
is Swedish. See, you all know IKEA color, right? IKEA is bluish, and then this blue color is from Sweden. This is the Sweden is the correct answer. Okay. This one,
Norway.
Norway. Yeah, very good.
Thailand. Finland.
This one is like Netherlands or Belgium?
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Yes, correct. This one is
Philippines.
Philippines. Yes, you're right. This one is
Saudi
very easy.
Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Yes, you're right. The green color and then the sword. Okay. This one is Israel. Okay.
Yes.
This one is, I think,
Egypt.
Egypt, right? Yes. There's
Yes.
a flag of eagle, right? There should be Egypt.
Yes.
This one is
Nigeria.
Nigeria. Yeah. Green, white, green is Nigeria. Very